Hey, this is Shimmer. He turned 6 weeks old today. Hey, baby. He's not really eating much from me anymore, but we're going to try now only once a day. First it was 3 times a day, and then 2 times a day. Now it's not even hardly 1 time a day. Come on. So let's see what he has to do. Hi. Would you like some? Would you like some? He flaps his wings, but he doesn't really open his mouth. He just takes it from the tip, like that. Sometimes I just give him the bowl to feed. You want some? Yeah, he's eating most of the food by himself. And now he's in the bird room, so he knows he's a big bird. And he also took his first bath today, which was really amazing. But I didn't get it on tape. So basically he's like a full-grown bird now. 6 weeks old. It always drips down his chin. Want some more? Oh, there he goes. He's opening his mouth. Want some? So this is all he'll eat. It's about 6 o'clock, and he won't really eat anything else until tomorrow. He'll eat on his own. He's eating seeds. I even gave him some greens and some vegetables, apples. He picks that. More? He's all messy. Good boy? You need a bib? And sometimes he washes his beak on my hands. Oops, sorry, buddy. That came out too much. He's gonna go clean up. He's gonna go get my hand. You gonna go clean up? I need another bath. Come on. And sometimes he flies around the bird room. He's just getting to know it. He's wiping his beak. Come on. Are you done? You all done? Wow. That was messy, huh? You want to go fly now? No, he's going to go hang around. This is where he took his bath. See all the water around it? Oh, there he goes. There he goes. He's over there. Say, I'm a big bird now. I'm a big bird now.